Hello guys, hello everyone. Again, it's a Monday morning. Let's start the day with positivity and with good vibes and with proper knowledge, especially financial literacy, so that we know how to fight and how to grind properly with our work or our job. Okay, let's start. I discuss about immediate gratification. May I discuss further about delayed gratification? Imagine this. You planted mango seed. Okay? Nagtanim tayo ng mangga. A mango seedling, okay, will take time to grow, right? It may even take years before it actually grows until it bears fruits. And ganun po siya kino-compare sa income natin. So for us to taste the sweet fruit of a mango, 'di ba? From our mango tree na tinanim natin, kailangan tayong mag-antay. So delayed gratification does not mean depriving yourself from all the goodness in this world. Depriving yourself and sacrificing too much sa work mo, at the same time pagkatapos ng work mo, isa-sacrifice mo rin yung time mo with your friends, with your amigas and amigos. Isa-sakripisyo mo yung time mo na dapat nagwawalwal kayo at nagjijinuman, nagpa-party-party, 'di ba? Isa-sacrifice mo yung time mo na every bakasyon gusto mo nagta-travel sana kayo ng family mo, 'di ba? So all those are sacrifices. But it doesn't mean you completely deprive yourself from all those beautiful things in life. Precious moments, milestones, celebrating birthdays, anniversaries, or whatever it is, Christmas, New Year, lahat na po ng celebration. Kasi ang mga Pilipino in general, ma-celebrate po tayo. Sa bawat ganap sa buhay natin, gusto natin sineselebrate natin. 'Di ba? So, delayed gratification simply means you really have to wait. It is practicing the virtue of patience. Sabi nga po nila, patience is the virtue of waiting for such a long time. However long it takes, as long as may inaantay. Kasi mahirap naman yung mag-antay ka dahil nang wala kang inaantay. Diba? So, habang malakas ka po, habang kaya mong kumayod, habang maganda ang source of income mo, kung sakaling empleyado ka, maganda ang trabaho mo, then, congratulations! Diba? So, you have a stable source of income, you are employed permanently in your job, congratulations po. Then, so be it, magtiyaga, tiis-tiis po muna tayo. Ibig sabihin ng delayed gratification, nagtanim ka ngayon. Okay? Nagtanim ka ngayon, ito yung seeds na tinanim mo sa puso mo at doon sa utak mo. That is why, be careful with what you feed your mind. Because what you feed your mind becomes your reality. My mentor in Dubai then, Ma'am Vanji, and of course, si Pastor Dan, they would always tell us, alagaan nyo yung utak nyo. Kasi yan ang number 1 na asset nyo. Because what you feed your mind becomes your reality. Yan. So, kung na-mindset ka, mindset ba dong? Mindset. Kapag ka ikaw kasi yung tao na na-mindset na, okay, want ito, hindi ito need, hindi ko ito kailangan, then, i-disregard mo siya. Not now. Okay? Not now. You can have it later, yeah, why not? You can have it later, you can enjoy it later, but not now. Because now is the time, is the season for you to grind. Now is the season for you to work hard, harder, hardest, superlative degree day. Hanggat kaya mong magbanat ng boto, hanggat kaya mong magtrabaho, hanggat kaya mong mag-sacrifice. Okay? Delay your gratification, delay your rewards. Magsumikap ka muna ngayon, magtiyaga ka muna. Meron tayong kasabihang Pilipino na kapag maiksi ang kumot, matutong mamaluktot. Di po ba? So, live within your means. Huwag mo na tayong mag-ambisyon masyado sa buhay to the extent na iwawaldas na natin lahat yung mga perang kinikita natin just to flex to people that we can buy this stuff. Yeah? And then, you want to please people by treating them out, libre mo, ganyan, labas tayo, kain sa labas, manlilibre ka, just to show, sorry for using the word, just to flex and to show off, because you can, yes, you can, then, wala yung tamang mindset doon. Hindi yon delayed gratification because you are trying to please others. And, ang balik nun sa'yo is, mapoprolong yung time mo na nagtatrabaho ka, na kumakayod ka, kasi yun at iyon ang magiging routine mo. Okay? If once in a while, you celebrate milestones, for example, once a year lang naman ang birthday, you celebrate birthday, yes, it's okay to celebrate birthday. But again, take note, hindi po tayo nagtatrabaho, hindi po tayo kumakayod, hindi po tayo sumasahod para po ipanlibre at ipakain sa iba. So, ang ibig sabihin nun, if you want to celebrate milestones in your life, I suggest you celebrate it intimately. You know what I mean with intimately? Your family, your immediate family, then, kung meron ka talagang inner circle, yan. It's very important in feeding your mind with good thoughts, positivity, long-term plans, goals, #goals, future plans, retirement plans, investments, and all these beautiful things to become financially comfortable later on in your life. You surround yourself with the right people. You surround yourself with people with the same mindset, same wavelength, para pare-pareho kayo ng direksyon. Kasi mahirap yung apat kayo, pare-pareho kayo ng direksyon, papunta kayo ng pa-north, charis. Parang yung forehead ko yan. Pa-north kayo, pero meron yung isa o dalawa dun sa grupo nyo na pa-south, salungat, 'di ba? Going to different direction. Hindi kayo uusad. Parang bangka. Sumakay kayo sa bangka, you paddle together as a group, sasagwan kayo ng left, sasagwan kayo ng right. Ang kaso, yung isang kasama nyo, paatras naman yung sagwan, pa ganon. 'Di ba? So, hindi po siya uusad. As simple as that. So, kung gusto mong umusad yung buhay mo, yung quality ng buhay mo, at sawang-sawa ka na sobrang lubog na lubog ka sa utang, dahil feeling mo, napapasama ka sa grupo, or sa mga friends or colleagues sa work mo, na masyadong mawaldas sa pera, masyadong magala, masyadong basta maluho, ganon. Then, start thinking and start feeding your mind. Isipin mo mabuti na, I should surround myself. If I want something, if I want to have something, if I have a goal in life, at gusto mong magkaroon ng delayed gratification na ang reward is doon pa, later on pa, years, if it takes years for you to build your financial stability, then so be it. Parang nagtanim ka lang po. Magtanim ka ngayon, wag mo muna siyang i-harvest agad-agad. Okay? There is no such thing as instant money. Mamaya i-explain ko din sa isang episode na naman. Yung mga instant money na yan, yung mga investment scam na yan, too good to be true, it's not true. Okay, I will talk about that later on. But for now, let me focus on delayed gratification. Ano ang perks, ano ang benefits, and ano ang dapat mong gawin para magkaroon ka ng tamang mindset. That's number 1, surround yourself with the right people. And if you feel na nasa maling grupo ka ng mga tao sa paligid mo, then maybe it is time for you to pause for some time and to move back. And sorry, but you have to stay away from them. Yun po. You choose the right people who would support you, who would boost you up, who would assist you and help you and agree with you. Pagka gusto mong disiplinahin at sabihin mo na ayoko mo nang lumabas ngayon, hindi mo na ako sasama. People who would not talk behind you and say, sus, eto sera yan, ayaw ganito, ganyan, daming mga eme-eme, diba? Mga marites. People who would always talk about other people are people na most likely walang direction. Kasi yung mga taong brilliant people, you know, people with brilliant ideas, they would talk about ideas, not talk about other people. That's what I mean. Okay? So pag ang mga kasamahan mo palaging puro ibang tao ang topic, si ganito, si ganyan, worst, kung sino yung wala sa inyo na kaibigan, yun ang topic niya, Day, kabahan ka na, day. Yan. Kasi kung kaya niyang gawin yun sa iba, most likely, kaya niya yun gawin sa'yo. 'Di ba? So, piliin natin yung mga tamang tao at umpisahan natin magtanim sa utak natin. Invest in yourself. Invest in learning. Sabi nga nila, if you want to earn more, then you have to learn more. Ganon po siya kasimple. That's why, linisin muna natin yung intentions natin, yung purpose natin sa buhay, bago natin ma-practice. Kasi it takes time, guys. Sa totoo lang, it takes time and effort and hard work to practice and discipline to practice delayed gratification, especially now with the world around us, with the social media, with the influencers, with all the budol finds, all the ads, 'di ba? Shopee, add to cart now. Ganun. Ang hirap madisiplina ang sarili. And it starts with you. Nobody can change you, but only yourself. So, yun muna, it's all about delayed gratification. Ang perks nun, guys, of course, later in life, kapag ikaw na nakapagtanim ka ngayon ng tamang mindset, growth mindset, winner mindset, successful mindset, later on, guys, aanihin mo po yan. Definitely. Yeah, trust me on this. Because dumaan na tayo sa ganyang pagsubok, trials and all. I will also tell you about the stories ng mga struggles namin na mag-asawa, financially and all those things. My friends in Dubai know that. Alam nila kung ano yung pinagdaanan namin doon. And paano namin napagtagumpayan yon at paano ako nandito ngayon na nagto-talk about all these things because andun yung desire and yung passion ko na sana somehow merong nakakapanood nito na mabago ko yung kanyang pananaw, mabago ko yung kanyang views about himself, herself, at the same time yung mindset niya, magkaroon siya ng tamang mindset para naman maisip niya paano ko nga babaguhin yung takbo ng buhay ko para sa long-term goals namin ng family ko. Is for the family. Whatever we do, guys, i-ground nyo yon. Let it be grounded. And it should have firm foundation na ang lahat ng ginagawa mong sakripisyo para ito sa pamilya mo, para ito sa future nyo, especially so pag empleyado ka, para pag nag-retire ka, meron kang fallback. Hindi lang tayo aasa sa makukuha natin na gratuity or sa pension or whatever you call it na pag-retirement mo, doon mo pa lang siya makukuha, 'di ba? So, yun muna for now, guys. Delayed gratification, sacrifice, discipline, tabang mindset, surround yourself with the right people. Yung inner circle mo, i-protect mo. Number 1, family. Dapat ang inner circle mo is family. Kasi yan ang support system mo. Dapat matibay yan. Dapat kilala ka ng pamilya mo. Like, the moment your children, if you're a parent, the moment your children understand money, how money works, please, parents, explain it well to them. And do not give them false hopes na madaling kitain ang pera at madaling gastusin ang pera. Sana, dun nagsisimula, be a good example as a parent, be a good example to your children para makikitaan din natin sila na habang lumalaki sila, they know how to value money. Yun. If parents know how to value money, then ituturo nila yon. You have to pass it on to the next generation. Hindi lang dapat nag-i-stay sa mindset mo. Ikaw may tamang mindset, yung husband mo wala, yung mga anak mo lahat sila waldas, wala din pong silbi. So kailangan po, you protect your inner circle, your family, your support system, kasi yan ang backbone ng financial stability mo later on in life. So if you are at that point in your life right now na nasa baba ka, don't worry, it's okay, accept it. Yeah. Mamaya-maya lang sa next episode, I will discuss on what steps, baby steps muna tayo to take para maging debt-free tayo. How to be debt-free. Yan. So, again, disclaimer, ang content ko po is on financial literacy. Pag may nasasagasaan dyan, natatamaan, I have no intention at all na natamaan kayo. Kung natamaan kayo, sorry naman. Sorry na agad, 'di ba? Pero, if natamaan kayo and it becomes an awakening point for you, then so be it. Maraming salamat naman sa pagtama sa inyo. Ibig sabihin, natauhan. Diba? Then sana, from there, magbago na tayo at sana umpisahan na natin ang road towards financial comfortability. So, yun lang muna guys. Thank you so much for your time. I'll keep it short and simple and straightforward para naman sa mga susunod na episodes, hindi ganun kahaba, no? Pero pag may mga tanong po kayo, thank you so much. I cannot mention your names right now. Ang daming nanonood sa akin on TikTok. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much sa panonood. I hope you are learning something from me and sa Bigo as well. Thank you so much. Shall we, guys? And if you have any question, please feel free to message me. Please follow me to get more of this financial literacy tidbits. And, feel free to comment kapag naka-live ako. Pag hindi naman ako naka-live, feel free to message me, private message me. Thank you so much guys and have a good day. Bye-bye!